In this video, we will demonstrate an example of how to install a rear-facing infant carrier car seat without a base using a lap and shoulder vehicle seatbelt. Remember, always read your car seat manual and the car seat section of your vehicle manual before you begin. And also before you begin, ensure your vehicle is on a flat, level surface. This will ensure that the recline that you put on your seat is at a proper angle to keep baby's airway open. I want to give you a quick note about using this method that you'll most likely want baby to be in the seat as you secure it in. The seat belt will be over the middle of the carrier, making it kind of tricky to get baby in once it's secure. Step 1. Place the infant carrier in the back seat of your vehicle. Step 2. Feed the seat belt through the belt guides on the carrier going towards the belt buckle. For this carrier, you guide the lap belt through the guides and leave the shoulder belt out. Be sure you know the particulars for your carrier. Give yourself enough slack with the seat belt as you feed it through the belt path to easily buckle it. Step 3. Buckle the seat belt. Step 4. Lock the seat belt. This is a vital step in ensuring the seat is secure in the seat of the car. In most vehicles, you can do this by pulling the full length of the seatbelt webbing out slowly until you hear it click. Then you slowly feed the seatbelt back into the retractor mechanism. It will lock at a fixed length. Step 5. The inch test. Check that the carrier is properly installed by wiggling on the carrier front to back and side to side. The carrier shouldn't move more than an inch in any direction. Step 6. Check the recline. Double check to make sure that the seat is level at the base, so the bottom. Some seats will have an angle adjuster on the side to help you ensure that it's at the correct angle. Once you have your baby properly secured in the 5-point harness, you are ready to roll.